Hello everyone, welcome back to our 30 days of HTML learning series. I'm Suresh and today is day 5 HTML forms basics. Today we will learn how to collect information from users using form. Don't worry, if this is your first time, we will go step by step. What is a form? A form is how we take input from users like login forms, contact forms and payment forms. Forms help users enter text, emails, passwords and even send messages. Input and labels. The input tag is where the user types. It gets a input from the users. The label tag describes what the user should enter. Each label must be connected to its input using for and id. Hi coders, welcome back to HTML5 series. Today's day 5. We are going to teach you the form, how to create the form in the HTML code. I'll go open the VS Code here. I'm just creating one file, practice.html, and I am just giving exclamatory and press enter. It create one blank document of HTML, okay, automatically. Now I'm going to teach you how to create the form. For that you have to go within the body, you have to enter a form tag. Okay, and we have to do one thing before we create the form. What we are going to do, what we are going to create a form, so the information getting from the user and we are displaying the information getting from the user. First thing is, what are the information we are getting from the user? Basic information of name, email and message he will type, and he will submit button and it will store in the database like that. Okay, this is a form. So here what I do is, I'll create one div tag here. Inside div tag I'm going to create the label first. Why label? I told you first item we are going to create is name. For that label should be name, label should be given, and second thing I have to get the input, no, that is placeholder to be written. To get the input they will type the name into that. Okay, for that two things required, one is label and another one is placeholder. So I'm just creating label. So label for equal to, for what, name, you have to type name. For what? For name. Okay, then I close the label tag on, so automatically gives slash okay, and I have to display some name now, so that user will understand. I'll type name. After that I simply give break, so the next item will come. Okay, so name is displayed. Now what are we going to create? We have to get the input from the user. So input id equal to name, name equal to name. So within double quotes, okay, name equal to name. Okay, after that what we are going to do? Placeholder. This is the most important thing. Here placeholder, here placeholder, what you are going to write? It should display something. You must enter the name, your full name. Okay, that's all. Now what to do is, I'm this close, you have to close it, no, you have to close it. Okay, so input what we have created, label 1, that is name should be displayed, so that the user will understand what is this input they are getting it from me. So input, you have to create one id, name, then placeholder. You are mentioning your full name, that will be displayed there. How it displays there, I will show you. I simply save it, file, save. or Control S to save. Just I run it, open the live server. See here it shows the live server. See clearly it shows name and the user can type his name. Okay. First item is over. Second item, what you are going to do, we have to get input from user email. So same thing you are going to create in email here. And just copy the same thing, and here for email id equal to email, and placeholder is your email address. Or okay, now what we do is simply save this item and you will run it. You see email is getting saved here. Okay. Now third thing is you have to type something there, message. For that we need to have one more item, one more placeholder also. So I create message. For message, here message, here also message. Here type your message. I simply save. See, after saving it automatically comes. So name, email, message, user can easily type it here. We created one form, and the user should have some submit button. No, for that we have to create one button. How to create the button? I'll tell you. This also div you have to create. Then button type equal to submit. Okay, button type equal to submit, and just close it. Okay, send message. Okay, I simply save it. See, send message has come. So user can enter name, email, and he can type and click send. So this coding should be written after sending. What should be done? JavaScript will be written. Okay, and that's all part later. Just we created form. So we learned today how to create the form using name, email, and message tags. Okay. Awesome work. We built a working form. Let's quickly review what we learned today. Form wraps and handles data submission. Label must match the inputs ID. Different input types give better UX. Placeholders guide users. Try creating your own form at home. Add fields for phone, city, and send button. Play with other types like number, password, and textarea. Great job completing day 5. Tomorrow on day 6 we will explore form validation to make users enter correct information. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe with the hashtag AI Code with Suresh. See you in the next lesson.